Well, that's just absolutely amazing. Thank you to the crackhead here in Las Vegas, or meth head, that decided to smash our window while we were enjoying the Cheesecake Factory. Good morning, YouTubes, and a big thank you to the guy who broke, or girl, who broke our window last night. That's not cool. Not cool at all. We stopped at the Cheesecake Factory last night, paid for parking, secured parking with a guy on a Segway and a bike. Real good security, just fantastic security. I even parked under 4 giant spotlights, just at the back, because I didn't want any door dings either. So, sometimes you get lucky in Vegas, and, well, I got lucky. Some asshat smashed our window and just didn't take anything. They just decided to smash the window, so thought we had nothing of value in the truck worth taking. Obviously, they were stupid and forgot that we have bikes, or didn't even think to look.
They didn't even unlock.
No. Obviously they are stupid, because they broke the window on a brand new vehicle thinking it doesn't have an alarm. It's a brand new vehicle. Honey, do you have anything to say about this?
I am going to put a positive spin on this.
Positive spin, here we go.
It could have been worse. There could have been much more damage. They could have taken the whole damn truck. So, I mean, we kind of lucked out that all we have to do is pay $200 for a new window.
Good morning, Lake Havasu. It's a beautiful day here. That hurt a little. I'm all messed up from riding bikes yesterday.
Are you okay? Let me see your boo-boos.
I'm okay. Little scrape. Little scrape.
Oh, honey.
That was just the warm-up.
You know you're not in your 20s anymore.
I know, but I don't have my BMX bike here to do this, so this is gonna have to do. Yeah, let's ramp it up.
He's gonna kill himself. gonna be so sore tomorrow.
Here's a little tip. Don't take a beach cruiser on a BMX bike park thing. I did not hit my head. I did hit my shoulder pretty good, so that's kind of, my chicken wing's a little off today. And I landed on my hip. They don't look bruised, but they hurt a little. Not gonna lie, they hurt a little. Not as young as I used to be, but I still bounced back, which is good. I'm up. And we're off to California today. We're gonna go over there. Not like over there, but this is Arizona. That's California. Arizona, California. We got our window fixed this morning. Thank you to Tyler at Safelight. Came on site, did the job here while we drank our coffee this morning. So that was pretty awesome. So we're off to California. What a view. Really should send that drone up this morning before we get going. Welcome back to Cali. That's right, we're back in California. No?
Luke is excited.
Yeah. Don't let her fool you.